cooling on the table. Nothing pressing, nothing to explain. Your laugh drift through the quiet room, barefoot moving across the floor. We got time, we don't need to borrow. Nothing rushing us anymore. No clock telling us what to do, no list pulling us apart. Just the ease of being right here, just the calm inside the heart. I love these slow days with you, where the hours fall away. No rush to be somewhere else, no need to rearrange. Just sunshine, just you and me, letting life move gently. I love these slow days. Yeah, these slow days with you. Street sound humming in the distance, radio low, old tune playing, windows open, breeze rolling. Everything feel like it's saying, take your time, don't hurry, love. You already where you need to be. In these moments I remember what the simple things can mean. No pressure hanging on the air, no future we gotta chase, just now unfolding naturally in our own pace. I love these slow days with you, where the hours fall away. No rush to be somewhere else, no need to rearrange. Just sunshine, just you and me, letting life move gently. I love these slow days. Yeah, these slow days with you. If life keep moving fast outside, we don't have to run with it. We can let the moment stretch and feel every little bit. No counting what tomorrow brings, no fear of losing time. Sometimes the richest days in life are the ones moving slow and kind. I love these slow days with you. Every minute feels okay, no need to speed the moment up, no need to get away. Just be settling in between, just love.